Yes, in that, what is our topic? Our topic is sound of I. Okay? Yes, the I sound. Now read aloud the following words. Together we will read aloud these words. Okay, you have to repeat after me. Here, IP, IP. Now, DIP, dip. You have to repeat after me. Okay, beta? LIP, lip. SIP, sip. TIP, tip. Okay. Now next. IT, it. Here LIT, lit. Next is BIT, bit. Repeat after me. SIT, sit. HIT, hit. Yes, nice. Now next, IG, ig. Here, BIG, big. DIG, dig. FIG, fig. PIG, pig. Next one, ib. Here BIB, big. NIB, nib. RIB, rib. SIB, sib. Next, in. Tin. BIN, bin. FIN, fin. PIN, pin. Next, im. Here, DIM, dim. RIM, rim. HIM, him. And TIM, dim. Once again we will repeat. Okay, beta? Are you all ready? Okay. Repeat after me. Okay. DIP, dip. LIP, lip. SIP, sip. TIP, tip. Next, LIT, lit. BIT, bit. SIT, sit. HIT, hit. Next, BIG, big. DIG, dig. FIG, fig. PIG, pig. In the next, BIB, bib. NIB, nib. RIB, rib. SIB, sip. Now in the next one, TIN, tin. BIN, bin. FIN, fin. PIN, pin. Next, DIM, dim. RIM, rim. HIM, him. TIM, tim. Very good.
Yes, beta. Page number 1515. In that, what you have to do? Color the bubbles having vowel I. यहाँ पर जो आपको बबल्स दिख रहा है ना, उसमें जहाँ पर वोवल आई का यूज़ हुआ है उसको आप काला करोगे. ओके, सो दिस इज योर फन वर्क.
So students, complete your fun work. We will meet in our next class. Till then, God bless you everyone.